Off-camera flash opens up a whole new world of creative lighting possibilities, and with the Olympus FL-900R, it's really easy to set up. The first thing you need to do, with the speed light turned on, is press the mode button until you reach the RC remote control mode. You'll notice I'm in group A and on channel 1. Now, because this is an optical triggering system, it's really important that the optical sensors on the front of the flash are actually turned to face the camera position. Then you can rotate the head around and direct the light whichever way you want. To control the big flash, I'm actually going to use a little flash, the LM3, which I'm going to put on the hot shoe of my E-M1 Mark II and make sure the flash is set to on. Now, to act as a remote control, I need to go into the menu by pressing the menu button, go down to shooting menu number 2, and across and down to RC mode, which I'll set to on. Now, if I come all the way out the menus and press the OK button, I won't get the usual live super control panel. Instead, I'll get the remote control panel for the flash. The first thing to do here is to check that CH is set to 1 for channel 1, and if it's not, change it. Then I can go to Flash A and change from TTL to the more basic auto function or full manual. Let's start with TTL mode. This is where the FL-900R and the camera will communicate via the LM3 to work out the correct amount of power that comes out the flash. Now, it's great whenever you need to set the flashes up quickly or you have a dynamic environment such as an event. In this case, all you do is press the shutter and you'll get a flash and it should be correctly exposed. Now, occasionally it might not be the exposure you want, in which case just press the OK button, go back to your flash menu, go across to the plus minus, and if you add some plus, you'll get more flash power, a brighter picture. If you go for minus, you'll get less flash power and a darker picture. If you're not in a rush and you need full control, then choose the manual option. This is where you can set the flash power yourself in third of a stop increments all the way up to full power. There's also some advanced features in here. For example, if you go to the little flash icon and you change it to FP, which is short for focal plane, you'll enter something that's more commonly called high-speed sync flash. This is where you can go beyond the limit of your flash sync shutter speed, but that really is something for another video. Another thing you can change is the level, and I would set that to high. That controls the amount of light that comes out of the little LM3, and the more light, the further distance you can have your FL-900R. Another good thing is to remember that this one actually swivels, so you can indeed point this directly at your flash for better communication. And finally, when you take a picture, both this light and that light will fire, but don't worry, your camera will only see this light. The other light on your LM3 is merely there for communication. So that's how you can set up remote control flash on your Olympus FL-900R speedlight. I'm Gavin Hoey, thanks for watching.